Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'm talking about how to use Arc browser easels for visual research. Okay guys, so to begin, you can just press on the plus in your browser and then choose New Easel right here. Also, there's as you can see, a command for your keyboard. After that guys, you can harvest your visual source data. So head over to any website you are actively researching and then press keyboard combination Command Shift C to activate Arc's native capture camera tool. Alright, so as you can see on the video, this is the official channel. He presses the camera, and now as you can see, you can just highlight any place on the screen, and then as you can see, just press New Easel. Then guys, you can just look at the floating action bar and click Live. Now routed directly to your newly created canvas card, and Arc instantly anchors that specific web page module onto your board, keeping it hooked into the internet, so the streams live updates right inside your workspace layout. And then once your modules are resting on the canvas, you can use the floating toolbar sitting in the absolute bottom of the window to map your thoughts. And your visual assets and research streams are now beautifully aggregated onto a centralized responsive canvas matrix that keeps your layout loops locked in one place. So that's it for this video guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.